In this video, I want to show you how to fix in case you get the radar cruise control unavailable in the dash of your Toyota. So there is multiple causes of this warning that you get. So let's start right away by checking out the first fix to this problem. So the fix number one will be to clean the front radar and camera sensors. One of the most common reasons why you see this warning in your dash is a dirty or obstructed sensor. The system relies on the front-facing radar, usually located behind the front bumper, sometimes in the lower section of the grille, along with a camera behind the windshield near the rear view mirror. So if either of these components is blocked, the system may stop functioning properly. Start by giving both of these a thorough cleaning. Dirt, bugs, snow, ice, or other stuff like a heavy coat of wax on the front bumper can interfere with the radar. Likewise, condensation, smudges on the windshield can confuse the camera. So use a microfiber cloth or a gentle cleaner. No pressure washing or scrubbing hard, and it should go away. Many users on forums have reported that simply cleaning the sensor areas immediately cleared the warning without needing a visit to a mechanic. If you're in a region with winter weather or dusty roads, build-up can happen quickly and trigger the alert. After cleaning, restart the vehicle, drive for a short distance. If the warning disappears, you've likely solved the problem with the easiest fix possible. Now let's take a look at fix number two, which is to check for recent battery issues or low voltage. This is another common trigger for this warning. So the PCS relies on stable electrical signals from various sensor and control modules, and any power fluctuation can cause the system to temporarily shut down or throw an error. If your vehicle has had a dead battery, or a battery replacement, or even a jump start recently, that can be the cause. Sometimes the system just needs time to recalibrate after a power loss. In many cases, simply driving the car just a few minutes allows for the system to reset themselves, and the warning light may disappear on its own. It's also a good idea to check if your battery health and the connections are stable. Make sure that the terminals are clean and tight, and if the battery is older, have it tested at an auto parts store. Weak batteries can cause random system malfunctions, especially in newer vehicles with sensitive electronics. The fix costs nothing, and it's worth checking early on. Many owners have reported that fresh or fully charged batteries resolve the issue without needing any parts or any visit to the dealer. And now let's jump right into tip number three, which is to restart the car or to disconnect the battery temporarily. So sometimes the pre-collision system malfunction warning is just a result of a glitch in the car electronics. A simple system reboot can often clear it. The easiest way to try is to simply turn off the car, wait at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then restart it. This gives the onboard computers a chance to reset and reinitialize the system. If that doesn't work, a more thorough method is to disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it like this, wait. This cuts the power to the vehicle electronics control modules, which can help reset any stock system, including the PCS. After reconnecting the terminal, make sure everything is secure, start the car, and allow it to idle a couple minutes while the system resyncs. Now, while researching this subject, I found on Reddit, as you can see over here with this print screen, that somebody had an issue with the connector of the sensor of the radar. So sometimes it's not the radar itself, you may need to check the connector. Before wrapping up, here's one more helpful tip. If the warning light stays on after trying every basic fixes, Scan the car for trouble codes. Many auto parts stores like AutoZone or O'Reilly will do this for free. The scan can point directly to a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or other problems specific to your model. So save your time and guessings and go and test your car. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. See you and have a beautiful day.